beginner drummers, and they've learned all these beats that we play in the islands of Tahiti, or pehe. So the pehe is consisted of these drums that we have here that I'm going to introduce to you right now. We have our fatete, our tariparo, our to'ere, and last but not least, the tariparo, or the heartbeat of our Tahitian drums. So we put all of these beats together and we play what is the basic beats of our Tahitian drumming. And also, we like to also present to you our wahine, or our girls. The girls are in the back there, our tamari. Over here. So they are going to be dancing some of the basic steps of our Tahitian dance, or Ori Tahiti. So this is how we usually perform. We have basic beats, and it's accompanied with the basic steps. So the first beat we're going to play for you is the toma. And the basic step that our wahine is going to do for you is the farapu. Fara mai te pehe, toma! Alright, so the next beat we like to play for you is the beat Hitoto. And our tamari, they're going to perform for you the basic step Afata. Paano mai te pehe? Hitoto. Alright, the next beat we're going to perform for you is the samba. And we have our tamari over here. They're going to perform for you, present to you the basic step, varu. Alright, te pehe, samba. Alright, the last beat we're going to perform for you is the beat Pahai. And we have our tamari, and they're going to present to you the basic step, Tahiti Tamure.
Tahiti Tamure.
Paano mai te pehe? Pahai.
There you go, lady.
So in Ote'A, as you guys have seen with our first number, it's just a lot of these basic beats accompanied with the basic steps. We put them together in what's called an Ote'A, and they practice, they memorize the beat, and the girls, they'll memorize the basic step, and we perform what is called an Ote'A. So at this time, our boys are getting ready. We're going to perform for you an Ote'A from the islands of Tahiti. from our beginner drummers class. How about a hand for my beginner drummers?